Okay, g'day everybody. So today is Tuesday, so I hope you enjoyed watching the first recording regarding dusting. So today this is about saving water. So this one I really love. So as a professional cleaner, I would conduct my own research before recommending any products or equipment. Traditional mops can create more health issues as they don't always remove germs when wringing out, or will spread more germs on the floors. Now, a lot of people will say to me, "Oh, you don't know what you're talking about." I've used all different types of mops, and my favourite I love is a spray mop. Um, Now, I've actually found it back in stock again in my favourite supermarket. I found it the other day. It's about $32, but it's actually a three-in-one. So now what these do, they not only have with saving water, they spray out a measured amount of water. So you have a 500 ml little bottle. You just unscrew, fill it about 75% with water, and then pour in whatever cleaning agent. Now, I like to use environmentally friendly agents because they are better on the environment and it's also safer for your homes. I do not like using chemicals. I'll use them when there's nothing else available. Um, but what you do is you just put it in there, you give it a or you put the screw the back on, give it a bit of a shake, put it back in using the required pad. Now, um, for ones that I've been using, it's a blue pad for general areas. So you've got to make sure you're using different ones. But there's also an orange sweeper pad you can use for sweeping that actually gets underneath lounges and everything, chairs and all that. I move things out of the way to make it easier where possible. You can get underneath there for sweeping and then just put it onto the carpet. So when it's ready, you're done. Grab the blue pad, go around and do some mopping. Now what I do is I do entryways first. Now, when with all my clients and all that, they're told that's where I do it first. If they have a wooden floor or ceramic tiles, to get it to mop, so they know do not come in that area for X amount of time. This is so when it's time for me to leave, that area has already been done. So I actually do mopping in sections. Um, you might think it's ridiculous, but it's the way that I do it, and I find it works more effectively. So you do the orange sweeping pad, you use the blue pad to mop. Um, you go around. Now, I also carry a 1 litre bottle, spray bottle with me, which I just spray as I'm going along. If I feel there's an area that actually needs a bit more work, sometimes you do need it. So I just carry it with me. It helps with everything. That's just pure water in the 1 litre bottle. You can actually buy a 3 pack of spray bottles again from the previous um, hardware store that I mentioned in their cleaning aisle. Fantastic. Um, and what I'm talking about with stuff here is for this 7 days is Australian. So all I will say, the cleaning, the particular one, is on the weekend you can get some food. Now, who can tell me what I'm talking about? So so with um the mopping, so when it comes in to doing the bathrooms, laundries, and lavatories, um, now that I mop in that order is now if you've got a bathroom with a lavatory in it, do them last. So you do the laundry, then you do the bathroom, then you do the lavatory. You use a red pad. Now, again, usually when you do buy the spray mop, it will come with a blue pad. So you'll need to buy the orange and the red. So you've got a short-term investment, but long-term benefits. Um, what I do is I just go through far as I see is these save money with you. So it saves water, it saves money, and it saves time. Now, on wooden floors, use only cold water or as directed by the manufacturer. Now, if you are renting a home to your landlord, just see what you can use. A lot will tell you to use traditional mops. Sorry, but I find they spread more germs. I found this on my own um, over the time. I prefer using the spray mop because you are spraying a limited thing, and it's not you're not because the pad will actually retain whatever the germs are. And with the pads, with the all three pads and all your cleaning cloths, I'm going to give you something, is you can put these in the washing machine. Always, all your cleaning stuff, always wash separately. Never wash with your general laundry. Always any cleaning stuff, um, wash separately. It's for hygiene reasons and everything like that. So you can buy cheaper spray mops from what I've said at the particular hardware store. You can buy one, which is fantastic. So that is going to end today's video. So what's going to happen is tomorrow, it's do it yourself air freshener, which I actually love this particular one. So again, thank you very much. I could use some more subscribers, so please, or followers, depending on what site this is on. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.